Hello guys, my name is Micha and you are watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to fill the empty space of your instruments with the grain delay effect. Combining pitch shifting with the classic delay effect is one of the major functions of grain delay effects, and by doing so you may achieve very unique sounds. In the following tutorial, I will show you how to use the grain delay effect to fill the space in a simple piano sequence. Before we begin processing the piano sequence, let's take a look at the SoundBridge project in front of us and listen to the full mix. As you can see, I have placed an instance of Guitar Rig 6 by Native Instruments on the piano sequence channel effect track. This is how it sounds unprocessed. From the parameters of the grain delay, I have set the pitch to plus 12 semitones and size to around 120 milliseconds. Moving forward, I have adjusted the density, drive, and low and high cut filters. Finally, I activated the reverse switch, which causes the signal to be played backward. In order to create even more space, I have used a small amount of reverb, which you can see placed below the grain delay. For the end, let's listen to the full mix with piano sequence processed like this.